Dashi 101 and I'm making 3 miso soup so you can see the difference yourself. Let's go! But wait! What is even? It's dashi! I know. Let me explain really quick. Dashi is a stock. A broth is the base of so much Japanese food. Miso soup, noodle soups, simmered dishes. Invisible flavor that makes Japanese food taste like Japanese food. You don't always notice it, but when it's not there, something feels off, really off. What makes it different from like chicken stock? It's not heavy or rich. It's all about umami, that deep savory taste that makes you go without really knowing why. Like We're at the Japanese grocery store right now. I want to show you something, so come with me. So here's that section. Different colors, different ingredients, powdered, liquid, packet. Even I get a little confused sometimes. And I grew up in Japan. So if you are standing here wondering which one to buy, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Okay, so I just got back from the Japanese grocery store and look at all of this. This is the dashi section in one store. So much. There's so much varieties. But don't let it overwhelm you because all of it break it down into basic 3 things. The first one, from scratch ingredients. Kombu and katsuobushi. Second one, dashi packs. Like a tea bag, but for dashi. Real ingredients inside. Super easy. The third one, instant dashi. Dissolved in water, done in like 30 seconds. So 3 options, all valid. Let's talk about each one. Classic dashi is 2 ingredients, kombu and katsuobushi. It's old school classic. What Japanese grandma made? Yeah, like my grandma grown up with this classic dashi. This is kombu, dried kelp. Looks a little intimidating, but I promise it's fine. Smells pretty good though. And this is katsuobushi, dried, fermented, smoked bonito fish, shaved super thin. Smells so good. I can eat like this. Smoky and savory. Here's my favorite fun fact. Kombu has glutamic acid. Katsuobushi has inosinic acid. When you put them together, the umami multiplies up to 8 times. 8 times. They just make each other so much stronger. See this white powder on the kombu? Do not wipe it off. It looks a little weird. It is concentrated glutamate. That's the umami. Leave it alone. Let's make dashi from scratch. Kombu goes into cold water. Now we heat it up slowly. And most important thing, do not boil kombu. If it's boiled, it gets like bitter and slimy. You take it out right when you see tiny bubbles forming at the bottom of the pot. Kombu comes out. 食べ物じゃないよ。Then katsuobushi goes in. Now we just let them sink for 2 to 3 minutes. No stirring, no squeezing. Just let them do their things naturally. Strain super gently. And look at this golden color. Clear and very pretty. Ow, 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 ow. And the smells very good. Okay, method 2, dashi pack. Let me open this up and show you what's inside. Sometimes I use inside for like a fried rice and stuff. It's super good though. This is actually real ingredients. Bonito flakes, kombu, sometimes niboshi or shiitake mushrooms, depending on the brand. It's basically all the from scratch stuff already packed up for you. No straining needed. Drop in cold water. Bring it to a boil. Simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes and take it out. This is honestly my everyday dashi. I drink miso soup every morning. I use this dashi pack. And then cleaning up, it's just throwing it back in the trash. This is kind of new thing. So my mom started using it. Now my grandma is also using it. I love dashi pack. Actually, the most important things for me to cook Japanese food is dashi pack. Method 3, instant dashi. Most convenient, most common I think in Japanese home. My grandma had this in her kitchen literally every single day. Just using for everything. Hot water, stir, down. Just a dashi inside. Just pour hot water. So good. That's it. Super easy, right? Some of them has MSG and additive. If you want to avoid that, look out for mutenka on the package. And one more thing, dashi pack and instant dashi, sometimes they have already salt in it. When you seasoning miso soup, after that, keep in mind, Japanese know one dashi. Where your Japanese friend is from, their miso soup might taste completely different from someone else. 3 dashis ready. Now I'm making 3 miso soups. Same miso, same tofu, same green onion. Only the dashi is different. Simple awase miso today, so we can really taste the dashi. Let's taste. This is scratch dashi. This is dashi pack. This is instant dashi. Clean and delicate. Miso tastes stronger than dashi taste. Scratch dashi is good for simple, delicate, clean types of food. Smells different. And the second one, this is really good. This is my miso soup style. A little more flavor, a little more punch. Miso doesn't beat dashi taste. Honestly, for everyday miso soup, this is my favorite. And effort and then the flavor ratio, it's just perfect. This instant dashi, oh, that's good too. Dashi tastes one of the strongest between all of them. I think dashi beats miso taste. Little saltier than the others, I think. This is probably the flavor most people think of when they think miso soup at a Japanese restaurant in the US. Yeah. Which one is best? Depend on your day. Special occasion from scratch. Regular Tuesday dashi pack. Need a miso soup in 5 minutes and you're exhausted? Instant dashi is right there for you. All valid, all delicious. So that's dashi. Not scary, not complicated, a little bit. 3 options, different levels of effort, all of them good. So what is your favorite dashi? Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. Oh, so good. See you next time.